Adifo Nkwaseafoɔ bebree wɔ Ghana. They told this government that they will win. They even said that they will prove to the nation that there are boys from men. Prophet
Kofi Oduro, ono ene leader and founder of Alabaster International Church. Na anopei, sofo Oduro ababo ntina ene edidi atem fitai ne enye fitai wode aba ama asofofo mo Ghana hase ya, especially the prophet mo Ghana hase ya during elections eno mo hyenko.
Prophet spoke out of flesh. Hunam dia ye benye dia untimi ma onsemo. Kwasi ankomshene, kwasi adifo ne, kwasi adiye ne, kwasi adwuma no a mode ti Ghana ha. Pia!
Abusia me kayo na makacho say, aha, hey, let's talk GH rumors. And the first time I pop into our video, make sure so best subscribe. No I like it. No I leave you comment. Our comment section I say Eddie Amai. Abusia Prophet Kofi Oduro answer wow. Owie no. And I was out to talk a crabby Edema Npp Nanado and Abomia.
For 8 years now, this voice is been screaming, ranting to Jubilee House. Be careful, be humble, connect with the people, don't lose the common touch. They will not listen. They will not listen. They will not listen to the point that this year, from May, my personal life, from our personal intel, was under threat. I have to travel to live in the United States for almost 1 month because you don't have to be in Ghana. Me to United States here, me kwatena baby 1 month agedie. Oba sorry, how we say me took 4 Sundays there. Because somebody don't want truth. And I'm screaming on it. I'm screaming on it. God raises a king and then he raises a prophet to help the king. The king doesn't even know the prophet is to help him. Joash is only 16 years old. Joash is only 7 years old when he takes the throne. A prophet has been raised. He doesn't even know. His job is to help the person. It would to them now we'll catch them say, honorable, now we lose. You are joking because you are seated here and you can lose a relationship, you can lose your marriage, you can lose your job, you need to be able to go sit down because when you pay what will be from you to and I'm telling you, this government was more than anybody. I know, men kaya ya hunu de call bone. Enya wona make de sua de. Me, I'm preaching to myself this morning. When people have power, good morning, they can't greet people. Because you have money, you are driving Land Cruiser, convoy, police, escort, and all that. You've lost the common touch. You think this is the only church? There are 2 million in Accra only. People leave Kasua. Dr. Ibrahim is coming from Oyarifaho, baby, to this morning. So when did they set out to be here? Before, 6:30. Check it out. And so when I see people like this, I cannot be the rude, exuding personality. You missed it. You missed it. You missed it. Oma will somewhere giant. You missed it. You missed it. The lady with her beautiful husband seated here, we can learn lessons from this in our reflection. Somebody have lost a seat. I can lose a husband. So what can I learn from this lesson? I should be able to sit down and sensibly think. You can be rich today and be poor tomorrow. If you are wise, sit down and reflect. It's not a joke. It's not When great people come into prominence, they should never forget it has a validity period. Yeah, it has a validity period. 8 years felt like it will never come. On the 6th of January, 8 years will be elapsed. Asa. And then my president will be a former president. Possibly, if I speak from that angle, maybe he will appreciate it. But I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, somebody have lost. I can't believe even till now. I don't believe till now. My MP? No, I can't. I still can't get it together. Now, I can't get it together. Not them. Think about it. So, sweetie, it's not a joke. God has given you life, resources, time, money, relationships, people. You can't be wasting it. And you see, when we have opportunity and all stuff like that, people call, you avoid calls, you will be friend or carton, ultimate block and all that. Sweetie, it doesn't take long for the tables to turn. I'm telling you. It doesn't. And January masses. So when you disrespect people, step down on people, and all that kind of thing because you have something. Diamond to go and know to reach him. It is only the fool who will not reflect. And like I said, if you have an entrenched position, and this is why I tell you, put your party at the gate. When you are coming forward, party in to abandon in a better in 18 years. Go on, you see a preach it to your party. You preach it to your party. If somebody have told Nkrumah that a day will come, your party will not even have one seat in parliament, he will never believe. A day is coming. Your party will not even have one seat. After being in government as a one-party state with dominance, he will never believe, but they see. We don't even have one seat for CPP in parliament. One. And so when I used to scream from 2016 and I used to tell MPP and NDC, I said, you better be careful because very soon, a Debbie Baba Mopati it will shock you what I'm saying, but time evolves. Time evolves. Now I see hypocrites. The Bible said, Esther, Zasida is there, where the Bible was talking about in Ezekiel chapter number 13. The Bible said clearly, it said, tell the foolish prophets that I have not spoken to them. You surround yourself with people and all they are telling you is what you want to hear. You are the best. You will win the next election. God will give you a second, third, fourth, whatever term, and they are excited. They are excited. Look, who doesn't know? Serious. Especially when you come to hear people say, no, Ezekiel. Get it for me. Ezekiel. Tell the foolish prophets that I, the Lord, I have not spoken to them. I'm waiting for the scripture, then we can work. Ezekiel. The Bible said yearly, they have seen vanity, lying divination. The Lord saith, I have not sent them. Go back to verse 2. Let me possibly look at verse number 2. Son of man, prophesy against the prophets that prophesy and say to them that prophesy against the prophets of Israel that prophesy and say thou unto them that prophesy out of their hearts, hear ye the word of the Lord. Go to the next verse. The next verse, the Bible said, any problems? Thus saith the Lord, woe unto the foolish prophet. Take it in my language. Sevrade, unyankopon sie nie wonye adifo enkewe ase fe o Nkwaseafoɔ adifo Honorable Park adifo Nkwaseafoɔ bebre wo Ghana. They told this government that they will win. They even said that they will prove to the nation that there are boys from men. Now the Bible said, on Kasanchiro will be no people I couldn't not kasa. That prophet should not be feared. That word feared should not be regarded, should not be respected, should not be honored, should not. That prophet spoke out of flesh. Hunam dia dia Kwasia nkomshene, kwasia difone, kwasia diyene, kwasia jumanwa, mode tigana han. Pia! Asia june. Wamu babi amodi wa makodru. Muntimin shankom, yempenifu jamai, yempenifu krono, yempenifu nsewunu. You can't tell that. Yendu hane ye shankom, ya mebe ya okasia, you will be the big boss. They are giving you dollars. Abro suwa match na mwediyewi. I'm going to sit down and reflect. I will not be talking now. But now me drew me crew mudata. I will be in my hometown reflecting what went wrong. Now because now I don't know, because my MP is working, taking people to school, supporting widows, helping people. And he lost. So, no, I don't understand. So now what is there? What? How does it work now? Then it comes to promotion does not come from the east. No, from the west. God decides what he does.